guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. Going to show you today's install, which is on a Honda Civic. We have it for the 2016 to 18 version. As you can see, get quite a lot of requests for this because there's not much around for it. This is our 10.1 inch screen, and it's gone in today. So it's basically quite easy to install, to be honest with you, and it works with the original camera. I was just saying, let me just put the car into reverse. Here you can see that's the original camera there. Just take it back out, it goes back to CarPlay. This is the CarPlay side to the Android system, which is, sorry, there's a bit of a glare today. Let me just try and get this off. 1 second. No, stupid sun today, dude. Here we go, gives you a little bit more. So obviously it works with the steering wheel controls. If you want to do the volume up, I've got no sound on at the moment, but as you can see, a lot of applications from my phone today, which is the Google Maps and the Apple Maps are there. If you want to go back to the car settings, this is the Android interface screen. You can change this background if you want. You can even go as far as to download third-party skin app, which is a Gamma or car launcher, something like that. So obviously we've got Google Maps pre-installed onto the system. We'll require a internet connection on this one to use, but you can download many more apps if you wish from the Google Play Store onto the system, like Waze, or alternatively, if you're going to be using the CarPlay, which I showed you earlier in the video, or Android Auto if you've got an Android phone, it'll bring over applications from your phone for your maps that way. Here's your radio, as you can see. Just show you the music. Skip. So that fully works with the system, the steering wheel controls. Next one, I'll show you the Bluetooth. This is the Bluetooth menu here. Got phone book support on this one. If you link into your phone, videos, this is where you can play all your movies from HD. You can do this from a USB pen. There you go, just the music. This is just a demo video that's on there by the factory that put on there. Go to applications, this is your back end settings. So it's got an aux in, so you can basically, if you want to stick anything like a TV box to it, you can just go in through the auxiliary. There's your Bluetooth calculator. This one's your CarPlay one, which you see it takes you back to there. Chrome, which is a browser. Equalizer, it does have a built-in DSP sound processor. So as you can see, there's a lot of sound enhancement there. Go back one. File manager, if you are putting any third-party apps on there or anything like that, you can put it through this application here. As you can see, a lot of the back-end memory settings, gallery, I don't know what that's to, or Google browser. This one's a map that the Chinese put on, but we don't sell it with. Google Maps there. There's your music app. There's a shortcut to the Navi if you want. That's an e-manual on there, which gives you a user guide of how the system works. There's your Play Store icon here, which takes you onto the Play Store. It's where you download all the applications to. Now this system will work with both iPhones and Android, as you can see with the CarPlay before. So just because it's an Android system, don't be concerned that your iPhone's not going to work with it. It doesn't mean that. Android's just the operating system where you download applications to. This is a lot of the back-end settings, which you can change the back end of the system itself. Touch assist, vehicle settings here. Let's have a little look. Vehicle USB and iPod in that option there. Video player, voice search. Speak to it, tell you what you wanted to do. And YouTube, which is an online app which basically needs a internet connection, so to say. You just bring that down there. It gives you a navigation along the bar for some shortcuts. This one will obviously take you through to Wi-Fi, which is where you connect your phone's hotspot to it. That will take a 4G SIM card too. As you can see, it's found some hubs in our area there. So hope you like the video. Don't forget, it works with the original camera of the car. So obviously it's pretty nifty. You don't have to put a reverse camera in if you've already got one itself, because it does work with it. If you have any questions, get in touch. I'll put all details on how to contact us in the description down below. And I hope you like the movie, and we'll bring you some more shortly. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.